we have with us today Mr. Tarun Kapoor, Secretary MOPNG. Could I please request Dr. R.K. Malhotra, Director General FIPPI, to formally welcome our esteemed guest.
Sir, we welcome you to this Young Professionals Forum. It's my pleasant duty to brief you about this program. We had yesterday also a full day session, sir, in which half day session, in which digitalization and some other important topics were discussed. And today also we had transition, energy transition, and then leaders, some CEOs also addressed. Then we had an HR session also where HR leaders from various companies addressed the young professionals. So we welcome you, sir, and we have been waiting and looking forward to listen to you. Your views about the younger generation in this period of transition, how they are supposed to reskill themselves, and how they should, how the industry is going to, engage them in changing times of transition. So welcome you, sir, and thanks for sparing your time to address the young officers of our oil and gas industry. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, and good that you are organizing this for young professionals connected with this sector. I really don't know how many people are connected. Are there some good young professionals?
Right now there are about 215, and plus we have on the Facebook also. So many people might be attending through the Facebook, through the Zoom. About 215 actually are already online.
So these are young professionals working in this sector?
Working in our sector, sir. And some of the seniors have also joined it because they have been part of this panels and other things also, which they have.
So they are young engineers who are employees, yes, and maybe entrepreneurs also.
Yeah, sir. Young professionals working in our oil and gas industry in different companies, public sector, private sector, both.
Okay, so very nice, and my greetings to all the young professionals who are connected on this. This is a sector which some people would say that is a sector where it is not futuristic because it's competing with renewable energy. But I, having worked in renewable energy for a long time and now having come into this sector, I can say that this is a sector which is there to stay for quite some time. And but then this sector is in a transition stage where while the sector grows, the sector also has to look at environment. The sector has to transform in a manner so that the environmental considerations are also there. So in India, if we look at our position today, we are importing a lot of oil, we are importing a lot of gas, and as a country, we are looking for increasing the production domestically. So young professionals working in the area of upstream, let me talk about that first. Now, in the upstream, this is a very, very major challenge for us because our domestic production has not grown. In the last few years, we've been stagnating, rather we've been going down. So as professionals, we need to really understand why is this happening? Why is it that the domestic production has not increased? Maybe our resource is not all that great, but then what I understand is that we need to do a little more exploration. We do have resource, and we need to become a little more aggressive. From the government side, we are very keen. So we want to let private sector in a big way. We also want that our own government sector companies become a little more aggressive, little more. They invest a little more and into exploration, and we also open out larger areas, more basins, more areas. While there was this question of not having enough data, now Director General Hydrocarbons has done very good data collection. Surveys have been done for the entire country as far as onshore is concerned. On offshore, now we have a very major program. So within the next few months, we will have very good data on offshore, also around Andamans. And with that data, interest in India is growing. So on exploration, we should see more activity. Then on whatever fields right now people are working on, there is a potential to increase production tremendously. But some people have told me that in gas, we could even go 5-6 times our current production, even in the existing fields. So our professionals have to look at that. What is the possibility of increasing production in whatever areas or whatever blocks currently we are working in? And good suggestions should come from young professionals. Young professionals should give suggestions openly to their top management so that something very good can happen in this country. So this is as far as domestic production is concerned. Then we are moving towards gas-based economy. So that's a very major push which we are looking forward to in this country. So while the network of trunk pipelines is expanding, we have these city gas distribution, which is also coming up in a big way, and pipe gas supply to the industry, to the commercial establishments, houses, homes, and then CNG has to expand exponentially in the next few years. Here again, there is a very major challenge. There are commercial challenges and there are technical challenges also. So again, young professionals have to meet these challenges. There are very tough and hard deadlines to be met. Good planning is required, and very good hard work is also required. And the senior management has to look at it, and the young professionals also have to match the challenge. We look forward to uh, very good expansion in the country in the coming years. Then let us also look at the areas of expansion in refineries. While we do have a very good capacity in the country compared to whatever is the requirement in the country as far as petrol and diesel is concerned, but there is a huge gap as far as petrochemicals are concerned. So we have to really work and get more and more investment into petrochemicals. And then there is the related industry which will come as the refining capacity goes up and we use more and more raw material for petrochemical industry. So there could be a multiplier effect, and a huge manufacturing capacities could come up in the country. So those who specialize in petrochemicals, there is a great opportunity to work in this area and ensure that the imports into the country of petrochemicals are reduced drastically. Then let us also look at manufacturing of components. A large number of components in this sector are imported. Can we reduce that? If we want to reduce that, then the manufacturing of certain components has to happen in India. And Engineers India Limited is looking at the components which are possible for manufacturing in India. So they will have this information on their website, and we are setting up a separate portal also so that this information is available. So young professionals have to look at the manufacturing side also, and see where more and more manufacturing capacity can come within this country. Then let us also look at the marketing side, the end, the other end where the customer is connected, be it the retail outlets, be it the gas agencies. There, while the network is very good, but the next challenge is to improve service. The next challenge is to bring in more digitization. The next challenge is to bring in more comfort to the customer and get technology in. The challenge is also to merge with renewable energy and see where we can have our retail outlets providing not only the conventional petrol and diesel, but also biofuels and electric charging facilities. So these are some of the areas where transition is going to take place in the coming times. And young professional has to be a professional of a slightly different kind. Young professionals should be able to change with times and to see that renewable energy is also merged into this sector rather than fight renewable energy. It is good if this sector adopts renewable energy and also becomes a major player in this the renewable energy sector, so that anyone who is consuming energy. The consumer is the consumer of energy, and there could be so many forms of energy. And people working in this space are working in the space of energy. So look at all forms of energy and try to bring them together so that whatever strengths this sector has, those strengths remain as the world transits from uh, cleaner forms of fuel, transits from the present forms of fuel to cleaner forms of fuel. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for being with us and giving your thoughts and which I think the young professionals will value quite a lot. Thank you very much for being with us, sir. Thanks.